Hello guys, so welcome to my Scientific Mummy YT channel. So after a long period of time, I'm coming back to my channel and hopefully I will be making more such videos and more such knowledgeable videos where you could have a proper knowledge which product to go for and how to take decisions when it comes to buying the products. So not taking much of your time, let's just talk about that what exactly is the brand which I'm going to talk about today. So you can see that this pink box is there and behind my back. So you know guys that Clovia always comes with the pink packaging, that cute packaging, whatever the lingeries and pajamas, kurtas, everything which is comfortable. Clovia is a known brand when it comes to having a nightwears or lingerie or panties or loungewear, whatever you just name it, they are having it. So I was really excited when they announced that they are also launching the skincare website itself in the separate section, which is Clovia Botanique. I was really excited and I was like, the moment they launched, I just gone to their website and ordered one such product, which was something which I really wanted to test, that how it works and what exactly this product has to offer. So not making much more surprises, I'll just show you what product I'm having. So this is, you can see, this is the Clovia Botanique No Stretch Marks Oil. So you must be confused that stretch marks oil are like it needs to be present for the addressing of only and only the stretch marks, but it is not like that. And especially for this oil, if we talk about, so this oil is having the goodness of 13 herbs, 13 oils, and it is it just lighten the scars as well. I have used it and I can see the differences in my facial scar as well. I just take few drops of oils and just massage it over the scars whichever has been created because of the acne, because my skin is acne prone. So I am always hunting most of the time the products which can lighten my scars, because this is an ongoing process. I'm getting the acne and I have to get rid of it as well. So if I'm getting any such product which can give me relief from the scars, why not? So I just ordered this product. It is having a special ingredients which is like argan oil. You must have noticed that products are mainly having like argan rich oil or Moroccan rich oil, which is having all such ingredients. Like they are having argan, they are having patchouli, they are having jojoba, they are having orange. It's having vitamin C, and vitamin C is known for lightening the scar. So these are having such oil, exactly it works on your scars because of having the essential oils properties which specifically dignified for these kind of oils. And wheat germ oil, carrot seed oil, chamomile oil, and the bitter almond oil. So these oils are having different kind of category, how these oils work individually. So if we talk about argan oil, so they are actually help in lightening the scars and blemishes and every kind of thing. And if we talk about patchouli oil, it's actually acts as a moisturizer for this. And if we talk about the jojoba oil, it helps in promotion of the collagen, because as the age increases your skin becomes loosen up. But if you provide the collagen from the outer source with the help of the products or anything, you will exactly feel the tightening in your skin. And orange oil aging process को low करता है. Wheat germ oil just regenerate the skin, which is which is a daily process of skin shedding and everything. So you have to check on these things. And if we talk about chamomile oil, it always nourishes and moisturizes the skin. And last, the bitter almond oil, it helps in the regeneration of the lost skin, because if we talk about the skins and the process of repairing and aging, everything is a part of aging. You can't control it, but if we are using the right product, we can actually control it. So if we talk about the product packaging, it comes in a pump kind of packaging. It's having a nice, easy, sleek bottle, and it's like you can easily just pump the oil, so it is not like a spilled. If by any chance your child is there and you are applying in front of them, you don't have to worry that if they jumped on that thing and the oil will be spilled all over. So it is like that there. So you can easily apply onto the scars or any kind of thing, or you can gently massage onto the scars. Though I'm not having the scars, but when your body changes, like आपका मोटे थे पतले हो गए, पतले थे मोटे हो गए, तो उसकी स्ट्रेचिंग की वजह से भी आपके स्ट्रेच मार्क्स होते हैं. इट जस्ट नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेगनेंसी स्कार्स, प्रैक्टिसिंग स्पोर्ट्स और हैव लॉस्ट वेट, एकदम अचानक से जिनके वेट्स खत्म हो गए हैं, कम हुए हैं या बढ़े हैं, तो फॉर दोज द स्कार्स आर द evitable thing. So those are going to get those scars. So for them, I would suggest that use this one twice a day and you will see a major difference. I would not say that कि ये ऑयल आप लगाने के बाद सब स्कार्स एकदम खत्म हो जाएंगे, but I can say that you can easily say that the scars will be lightened up. So that's it for this product. I have talked a lot about this thing. If you want to purchase this product or any of the product from the Clovia Botanic range, you can log on to their website and use the coupon code which is written over here or anywhere in the screen or in the description box. Use it and get extra percentage off. And by the time, if you like this video, just hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it, because one share will means a lot to me. Thank you. Bye bye.